Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 2-star hotel.
In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also.
As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here.
See the of reviews of this hotel, you can go to hotelwelcome. Its review rating is 8.5, which is the excellent. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like size, bed type,
Room category category 3, category 4,
category 5, category 6, next we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, this hotel same type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy
check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below.
if you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, you can drop a comment and we will help you.
For booking or get more details about this resort, please check description below.
If you have checked out from this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel, you cannot subscribe yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and